So I've made numerous videos on YouTube about the new Tornado Springs area coming next year. Obviously you've got the Route 83 diner, then you've got the Storm Chaser, which is a Mack Ride spinning coaster. You've got the Cyclonator up there, which is a Zamperla frisbee ride. The trekking tractors are staying with a retheme. They are some drop towers, windmill towers. Then the dinghy slide right over there in the back, I'll go around and show you in a bit. That is getting a retheme as well, and that into Buffalo Falls. So it does look pretty cool. I'm very happy with this and I'm looking forward to checking it out next year. So there we have all the coaster footers for the Storm Chaser. Obviously this will be a clone of Sierra Sidewinder from Knott's Berry Farm. The coaster station is going there. Then obviously play areas up the back there. Cyclonator and all that are going to go right back there. And then over here, that's going to be Jesse's Diner over there. And then Junkyard Junction, I think it's going to be called, which is going to be like a gift shop next door. So here we've got the Wave Runner, but this will be becoming Buffalo Falls next year. As you can see there, it's going to fit in with Tornado Springs, and this will all be part of it. We've already got the new coloured fences ready to go with it. Got the like the wooden cladding around the outside, some theming for that. And then there, we've got the Storm Chaser station. From the queue for the Wave Runner, you can get an absolutely brilliant view of Tornado Springs. So the footer's there for the Storm Chaser, Jesse's Diner's there, and then with the gift shop next to it, you've then got a driving school at the top right, and then right back over there where the building offices and what have you are, all the storage containers, that is going to be where the Cyclonator is going to go to. That is probably going to be the last ride to be installed. Trekking tractors haven't had their retheme yet either, so I'm guessing that's going to be over winter too.